Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Felice. Ciao a tutti, sono Felice. Welcome to the Italian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you learn how to give your nationality in Italian. Let's get started! Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have Italiano, Italiana, Italian, Italiano, 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 Sudcoreano, Sudcoreana, South Korean, Sudcoreano, 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 Messicano, Messicana, Mexican, Messicano, 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 Russo, Russa, Russian, Russo, 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 Indiano, Indiana, Indian, Indiano, 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 Tedesco, Tedesca, German, Tedesco, 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 Egiziano, Egiziana, Egyptian, Egiziano, 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 Sudafricano, Sudafricana, South Africa, Sudafricano, 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 Greco, Greca, Greek, Greco, 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 Israeliano, Israeliana, Israeli, Israeliano, 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 Brasiliano, Brasiliana, Brazilian, Brasiliano, 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 Francese, French, Francese, 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 Giapponese, Japanese, Giapponese, 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 Canadese, Canadian, Canadese, 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 Norvegese, Norwegian, Norvegese, 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 Svedese, Swedish, Svedese, Svedese, Svedese. Let's look at the dialogue between Emily and Patrizia in an informal conversation. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the words used to express the nationalities. Find what the nationality is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Sei giapponese? Are you Japanese? No, non sono giapponese, sono italiana. No, I'm not Japanese, I'm Italian. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. To ask someone their nationality, you can say, sei nationality? Are you nationality? When giving your nationality, you can say, sono nationality. I am nationality. Sei giapponese? sono italiana. Non is used as a negative in front of the verb. Sono is used for I am, and it does not change depending on the gender of the subject. The ending O in nationalities is usually masculine, and A is usually feminine. Nationalities ending in E have only one form. For example, Giapponese for both male and female, referring to Japanese people. Do you remember how to say German? Tedesco. Tedesco. And how to say Canadian? Canadese. Canadese. And how to say Mexican? Messicano. Messicano. Do you remember how to say South Korea? Sudcoreano. Sudcoreano. And how to say Indian? Indiano. Indiano. What about Greek? Greco. Greco. And how to say Norwegian? Norvegese. Norvegese. And how to say Israeli? Israeliano. Israeliano. Do you remember how to say French? Francese. Francese. And how to say Brazilian? Brasiliano. Brasiliano. And how to say Russian? Russo. Russo. And how to say Egyptian? Egiziano. Egiziano. And how to say Swedish? Svedese. Svedese. Do you remember how to say Japanese? Giapponese. Giapponese. And how to say Italian? Italiano. Italiano. Do you remember how to say, are you Japanese? Sei giapponese? Sei giapponese? And how to say, no, I'm not Japanese, I'm Italian. No, non sono giapponese, sono italiano. No, non sono giapponese, sono italiano. In this lesson, you learned how to give your nationality in Italian. Thanks for watching, I'm Felice, and I will see you on ItalianPod101.com. A presto!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.